Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to change the password on your PlayStation account using the phone. So at first, just open your phone. And as you open your phone, just use any of the browser that you currently use. And as you open your browser, go on the website PlayStation.com. And as you do that, just log into your account. And as you log in, go at the right top corner where you can see your profile and just select it to open the page. And as you do that, go in the option account settings. And guys, it depends on your internet speed to load. And as it load, go in the option security right here. And guys, as you do that, you can see the option right here, password, and just select the option edit. And hit the current password and hit the new password and re-enter the password and just go in the option save. So guys, that's how you change the password on your PlayStation account using your phone. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.